We can see that today the price has reached a below support level 4356.49. Yesterday the price has reached a resistance level 4435.10 and returned back down, bouncing from this area of resistance and make a bearish breakout below this area of support. And we can see that the daily close was below this area of support, and currently the price is returning back up, testing the previous support, now acting as a resistance. So we can see it is a pretty strong bearish candle, a bearish engulfing candle that engulfs all the previous candles' bodies, which means very strong bearish momentum has entered from this area of resistance, which is the third time that the price is touching this area of resistance, first, second and the third time, and the price has experienced a very strong sell-off going all further down. Yesterday we can see the price has managed to make a bearish breakout below this area of support, could not manage to stay above and return back up, trying to reach higher price levels. We can see that two indecision candles in the two trading sessions for the 4-hour time frame, the price has lost its momentum going up and it has lost strength and then return back down all the way to this area, very close to this area of support. Now the price has returned back up, testing the previous support. Now it is acting as a resistance, which means highly probability that the price could return all the way back down. But what is very important, and it is pretty unclear right now, is this is the first time the price is bouncing from this area of resistance, reaching this area of support, bouncing from this area of support and going up. But this was in the case when the price was going up, which means a pretty strong bullish trend was pushing the price up. Then the price has turned back down, testing for the second time. This was in decision range area where the price was bouncing back up and down, and we can see this is the third time that the price has closed to this area of support and it is bouncing back up. So this means that the price is currently inside decision range area, where the levels here 4435 on the daily resistance level and the 4-hour time frame support level 4320.17 is the area where the price is currently bouncing, and it is very important to see where the price will make bullish going up or bearish going down breakout, which will indicate further movement of the price. So for now, currently I am waiting outside of the market. This is the daily time frame that shows me that this is a bearish breakout, a pretty strong bearish engulfing candle, indicating further decline in value, where 4289.09 is the next support level where the price could go, and this is also potentially confirming this bearish breakout as a valid one, but today could also return all the way back up, going above this area of resistance, invalidating this bearish breakout candle, bearish engulfing candle, which will indicate further rise in value where the price could reach again this area of resistance. So this is an area where the price is bouncing back up and down, especially visible on the 4-hour time frame, where the price is currently at the critical support level, which is not very clear that the price will continue to lose its value going down, and also there is no indication of, because of the strong daily resistance level, that the price will easily go up. So for now I'm waiting outside on the market, waiting for a clear signal where the price will have clear indication where the price will go. So for now it is the best to stay out. In my case, I'm also staying out to see how the price will behave during today. Will the price manage to make a confirmation of the bearish breakout, which means the price stays below this area of resistance, indicating then weakness of the price that could push the price even further down, or the price will make a retrace back up, making a bullish breakout and invalidating this bearish candle. So for now, it is the best to stay out to see how the price behaves around this area of 4356.49. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoy. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.